Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Monday briefing covering September 9th through Sunday, September 15th, and we'll get started. First off, here is satellite from today across the U.S. Atlantic coast. You can see a thin layer of upper level clouds over North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, and Virginia. That is smoke from the wildfires in Western Canada. So that has moved its way to our area, and you'll see, if you look outside, you'll see a thin layer of some smoke. So that's not, I mean, it is clouds, but that is actually smoke from wildfires. And that smoke plume should move across the area and actually increase a little bit tomorrow. So we'll see more smoky skies tomorrow through the day, and then clearing out Wednesday. Overall, the upcoming weather pattern for Central NC, we have beautiful weather today and tomorrow as high pressure dominates the area, keeping temperatures at or just below normal through much of the work week. And then tropical storm Francine is expected to move north into the Mississippi Valley and bring the next chance of rain and isolated storms to the region Thursday night into Friday. Then the remnants of Francine will slowly dissipate over the Tennessee and Ohio Valley over the weekend with lingering isolated showers across portions of our area. So for that, here is a cumulative precipitation forecast for the next 5 days. As you can see, today, tomorrow, and Wednesday is bone dry, as well as Thursday for central North Carolina. As the precip and moisture from Francine moves into the area, you do see at least portions of western North Carolina and some portions of central North Carolina get a little bit of rain, and then later into the weekend, we will see a little bit more. So on this bottom right graphic, we have a 7-day total graphic, which you can see anywhere from 1/100 of an inch to maybe 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch of the across the region. Next 3 days, no rain, so no risk for excessive rainfall. And again, the next 3 days, no rain, so no risk for for thunderstorm potential. And then as of now, this Thursday through the weekend, there's no threat for severe weather. Experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook shows nothing for today, nothing for Tuesday, nothing for Wednesday or Thursday. Maybe Friday into the weekend, there's a chance for lightning with those isolated scattered thunderstorms. Now, everybody's wondering what's going on with the tropics. Here's the 7-day graphical tropical weather outlook. We do have now tropical storm Francine in the Gulf of Mexico, which is expected to make landfall along the Louisiana coast late Wednesday, and I'll get to more details with Francine in a minute. But we do have 2 other areas. This area in orange to the left, that is an area of disorganized storms over the central tropical Atlantic and could become a tropical depression in the next few days. It has a 60% chance of forming in the next 48 hours as well as the next 7 days. Then this area to the right is several hundred miles west-southwest of the Cabo Verde Islands, another area of disorganized storms that could develop into a tropical depression mid to late next week. So it has to get its act together, so it won't develop anything in the next 48 hours, but over the next 7 days, it has 60% chance. So back to Tropical Storm Francine. Here's the latest 11 a.m. Eastern Time update. It is now Tropical Storm Francine, having winds of 50 miles per hour, moving north-northwest at 5 miles an hour. They do have hurricane watches along the Louisiana coast, and then tropical storm watches along the eastern Louisiana coast and the very southern portions of Texas and the eastern southern portions of Texas as well. As you can see, Francine is forecasted to be a hurricane when it reaches the northwestern Gulf on Wednesday or Wednesday night. And there's a likelihood of life-threatening storm surge in portions of the upper Texas and Louisiana coastlines. So they also put a storm surge watch in effect for that area. There's an increasing risk for damaging hurricane force winds to Louisiana beginning Wednesday, and like I said, there's a hurricane watch down effect. Francine is expected to bring heavy rain and the risk of flash flooding to portions of Texas and Louisiana and possibly Mississippi through Thursday morning. And as it moves up the Mississippi Valley, expecting to bring rainfall along the Mississippi Valley, Mississippi River through, as you can see, it should be around 7 a.m. Saturday over the Kentucky, Illinois region. The 8 to 14 day temperature precipitation outlook, as you can see, we have a 40 to 50% chance of above normal temperatures for September 16th through the 22nd, and normal to around 33 to 40% chance of near normal or above normal precipitation. So our average highs are in the upper 70s for the Northwest Piedmont and mid to low 80s elsewhere, with lows generally in the low 60s. As I wrap this up, high pressure, quiet weather next few days for much of the work week. Tropical storm Francine will move into the the Mississippi Valley and bring the next chance of rain late Thursday into Friday, and then remnants will slowly dissipate over the Tennessee-Ohio Valley over the weekend with lingering showers. Here is the local forecast with sunshine, becoming cloudy mid to late week with chance of rain late Thursday. And that is all I have for today.